pray. Another Sunday and we're going to the finals. Yep. Wish us luck. Say hi to the camera. Go. Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
I like Brandon Jennings.
I like Kevin Durant.
You're going to play?
And Yenny?
Yeah.
No, I'm just gonna watch. I'm just gonna stay in the bench. I'm gonna DNP.
How
Did
about
not
me?
play.
How about me?
I think you're going to play, but are you a starting five? You're a bench player.
All the way. Bench player. All
But
the
me
way.
is all bench, DNP. I'm always DNP.
We are the champs bodyguard. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. We are?
Now arriving.
Really?
Yeah, we're here now.
I'm gonna go park?
Yeah. I think I don't know. But today it's championship, right?
Yeah.
So we will see you later.
Yeah. Tira. Come on, come on. Go.
So Uncle Jumbo's getting the bread. Oh, that dog is so noisy.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm here taking a video. Uncle Jumbo's over there, my dad's there. So
Pan. Pan mo diya. Daot na daan.
Uncle Jim,
Yeah.
are you doing good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, let's go there.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I live because I want to eat. Aren't you done?
Huh?
Aren't you done?
Not yet.
number 0, 14, number 0, gets the ball. Masih kami bro.
Keren, perfect.
Bola red, bola rebound, number 0. Substitution. Okay, shooter.
Wake me, Pierce.
Number 14, bola titik bola.
Look who's going to be.
So the third game of the second quarter just ended, and Miami team is preparing for the championship. So you just prepared?
Number 4 to the hole.
Yeah. And after this game, it's us, the championship.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
What about you?
I'm ready.
Okay.
It's game time. Go. Let's go. Jump for the champion.
Yeah, we won the game.
Yeah. We won.
Yeah.
That was a hard fight, right?
Yeah. We did.
It got 4 fouls.
Did you almost get fouled up?
Yeah, almost.
Okay, we will go.
I'm too tired.
Me too.
We have arrived at Sewing 92
And
and
we're going to celebrate because we won the championship.
yeah, celebrate. And
Good job.
good job. And because we're so hungry that my tummy, yeah, look at my abs.
Oh yeah. Thanks for watching.
Bye. That's Ella. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.